Hello everyone, it's so nice to see you all. Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will be sharing one of my favorite camp stories. So there are so many stories and memories that I have about camp and a lot with a lot of you in them. But one of the stories that is really important to me is how camp changed my life. So I put together a little storybook and we're going to just read through it and have a little bit of a story time. Are you guys ready? Can I see you shake your hands if you're ready? All right, let's go. So this story is called How Camp Changed My Life. So when I started this book, I was going to try drawing a lot more, but it's actually really hard to draw when you don't have a tablet right there or like an actual like a stylus and everything to do that. So I kind of resorted to a different way, but it still came out really nice. All right, let's start at the beginning. So I had just finished my second year of college and was transferring to another school. So during the time, I decided in my head for like the last 6 years that I wanted to be a physical therapist. So I had studied for 2 whole years getting ready and taking a lot of classes so that I could major and become a physical therapist. And I had accepted a job. I was super excited that I was going to be working at Camp Pivika that year, but I was also really scared. Um, that's the next page. I was scared and really nervous. I'm sure all of you have felt that way your first time at camp, or maybe a little bit every time you go to camp. I too had never been away from home, and I didn't know anyone at camp. So it was pretty scary. Can you put a thumb up if you have felt that before, a little scared about going to camp or just a little bit nervous about it? All right, so let's keep going. Within the first week of being at camp, I didn't feel so alone, which was pretty awesome. I had made friends and I was getting out of my shell. So, one thing that I want you to try and do for the people that recognize these faces on this side of the page, can you name all of the camp counselors that are there? Go ahead, you already have me as one of them. Can you? You should try it. All right, let's keep going. So, during my time at camp, I was given the opportunity to meet all of you. Not just the people in the pictures that I have here, but everyone. You all made me feel so welcomed and loved and safe at camp. And because of that, you all gave me the courage to step out of my comfort zone and participate in different skits and activities and talent shows, something that I had never really done before, which was pretty amazing. And you all taught me just to have fun and to not really care about what anyone else is thinking. As long as you're having fun, you're being safe, you're being respectful, all good. All right, next page. So, halfway through working my first summer at camp, I decided that I didn't want to go to school to be a physical therapist anymore. I decided that I wanted to go to school to be a special education teacher. So, during the next couple of weeks, I was accepted to attend the University of La Verne to earn my bachelor's in educational studies. So, 2 years later, I know there's a typo. It says 2015, but that's not true. In 2019, so last year, I graduated and I was the first person in my family to receive a bachelor's degree. So here's a little picture of me the day of my graduation with my mom, who had been my support, my motivation throughout high school and college and everything else. So there's a little picture of us. Let's keep going. All right. So move this over just a little bit. All right. So right after I graduated the next day, we ended up driving all the way across the country. So during my time before I graduated, I decided that I was going to move across the country and continue my education. I began classes at Marymount University in Virginia and was working towards my master's degree in special education. So here is where I lived in California and I moved all the way over here and I'm still here. All right. So the last page of my book is me graduating. So I just graduated this past May and already have a teaching job this fall. I'm excited and thankful for all the opportunities I've been given. Camp, both staff and counselors, the whole Pie Beacon family has helped me grow in so many ways, and I can't imagine my life without camp. And you have no idea how happy I am to be able to participate in camp, even though I'm so far away. So, I hope you liked this story. I had fun making it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.